Hi guys, so we are going to make some cute little bunny face paints today. I'm going to need my white face paint, my black face paint, and my pink face paint. I will need a super skinny brush for face painting, a skinny brush for face painting, and my sponge. So I'm going to take my white face paint, I'm going to get loads on the brush, and I'm going to start putting little white triangles just over my eyebrow. These are going to be for the bunny ears, so you can do either triangles like I did, or you can do little floppy ears if you want. I just didn't know how to do them. I just grabbed my mirror there, and I'm going to get some white paint again, and I'm going to fill in my little bunny ears. Now I'm going to do my little bunny nose, so I'm just covering the bottom bit of my nose in white. I'm going to get my little sponge, and I'm going to dip it into the white paint, and I'm just going to do my top lip all in white and underneath my nose. Make sure the sponge is wet before you dip it into the paint, and then I'm just going to use the other side just to clean up around the mouth, just to make it a bit neater. I'm going to go in with my pink. I'm going to start doing the middle section of my ears in pink. I'm going to do a little circle on my nose, my little bunny nose, in pink. I'm going to go in with my sponge again, a clean bit of the sponge. I'm going to dip it into the pink, and I'm going to give myself some super rosy bunny cheeks. I'm going to go in with my super skinny brush now and dip it into the black and just start outlining the ears and putting some detail on the nose, down my lip, and putting on the dots and the whiskers. So I'm just going to go in with the black just around my little nostrils, making kind of like a little heart shape. And then I'm going to go straight down onto the bottom of my lip. And then I'm going to start adding in the dots just beside those little lines. So I did 6 dots, but you can do how many as will fit. And I'm going to start doing my whiskers. And there you have it, guys, my little bunny face paints.